Here at Stoke Fire Doors, we make all types of fire doors to any specification of finish. We fully finish the doors with all ironmongery, basically pre-hung in the frames, ready for easy fit on site for the clients. We decided to move here because we couldn't move in the old factory, and then we've gone from strength to strength. We've got a good client base. We are nothing without his clients at the end of the day. You know, we can only thank everybody for it. But there again, we wouldn't be anything without people like JJ Smith supplying us the machinery. Yeah, it's a good family business we've got here. Production in the factory, we're around 350 doors a week at the moment, plus we do all the screens, side screens, fan lights and everything like that. We manufacture all ourselves in-house. So we'd already had some alpha machines off JJ Smith's. We got two. It was taking too long to do a leg, so I wanted to speed that up. So I started talking to Paul up at JJ Smith's. He introduced me to the Comec machine. They said we can turn a door frame out in 3.5 minutes. That was a tick the box for me when he said that, because it was taking us probably 15 minutes prior to it. So it's all about speed. I rang Paul up, I said I want another machine. And then Comec have realised what we do now, because we worked with them on the first machine. They give us an even better machine than the first machine. And now we've got a full 360 head, which turns, which will do your mitre cuts. We can get a door frame on a 280mm. That helps us even more as a business, like to improve what we're selling out there. To me, the Italians lads have done a fantastic job again. Neomec, another good company, came down when we had the old factory to measure up the machines. We were undecided whether moving into this building. Paul had rang me. He says, I've just been Neomec's factory and they've got the return systems in for the edge banders. I said, what they like? He said, fantastic. He said, I'm going to send you a video. Sent me a video. 5 minutes later, I'm ringing him back. How much? Told me a figure. I said, get us two. And when they came, they've totally changed it around, because before we were pushing one door through at a time. Now we can do 5 doors at the same time as one door, putting the edge banding on, which is great. So you with me, absolutely fantastic. We really work well, really good machine. Right, JJ Smith, as a company, I've been probably using them probably 15, 16 years, but it was always on the small scale. We weren't as big then. It was a phone call, I want their stories on the website, no problems at all. And then as he's grown, my main contact was Paul Parker, which to me, he's probably one of the best lads out there, knows about machines and knows the companies out there to go to without worry. So Paul, for me personally, and Adam, the other director here, he's our call straight away. We don't mess around with anybody else. Like, I've already started talking to Paul regarding more automated machines. Automation it's going to be the future. It's got to be. It's as simple as that. Yes, you've got to go through the rigmarole of setting it up, but once these robotic arms are set up, it's simple. Like, I watch it all the time on factories now, and it's just an amazing thing.